curve. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to pull this. I'm going to take a little bit more of that off. I don't need all that down there. You could take it off later. Pull that thread to the top. So then I use my thumb as kind of a guide here and push the fabric under. And then I'm going to put my knot in the fold. Take a stitch. And if you go down where the thread came out and then come out the fold, just not extremely tiny, but enough where nothing, I don't know, that's about the stitch length, where nothing will creep out. And the thing about this, if you get off the line on the back, nobody knows. Just keep sewing. They're not going to come along and say, oh, that's just off a little bit. They're going to go, isn't that a beautiful block? So I'm going to also do a couple little stitches or clips here. We're getting a bit of a curve. And I don't clip real close because then it's harder to turn. So I'll let you know, I'm not going to take this stitching out. I'll just keep sewing. And, you know, when I get home and finish the block, I'll probably get out my red and green threads. You know, maybe not. Who knows? Maybe I'll get it finished before I go home.
Start a new trend.
Yeah, well, no, it's probably an old trend. Yeah, everything.
Get one spool of thread, and that's what you use.
I know. I actually think we're funny. All the stuff. Needle and thread.
Kind of like. Yes, I was going to ask.
Okay.